Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, compass, CD player, security system, electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.